Hi everyone, welcome to your VB Planner. Thank you for choosing this planner as a tool to help you plan your dreams, your goals, your family life, work life, your daily to-dos, and future memories and life events. I am really excited to take you on a tour into how I'm going to set this planner up. I really designed this planner to be a functional with a simplistic, minimal design, but yet room for you to decorate when you want to be creative. I think functional and pretty all need to be combined into one. So this planner, it's all that. And I hope you really use it to, like what I said earlier, to help plan your dreams, your goals, anything, just anything. So let's dive in. I'm just taking all the packaging off, just so it's easier for me to show you how to put it together. My goal for this video is to basically walk you through the planner to get you excited to set yours up when yours come, or if yours already came, just to kind of get some tips on how to probably use it to your best advantage. I'm going to be showing you some layouts that I've already created in my business planner, and probably some sneaks of future accessory pieces that I have planned as well. For those of you who are new to disc-bound planning, I know this receiving your planner was a little bit intimidating with all the pieces, but hopefully this video will help you. I like to start with the front and back cover with the disc. So I'm the type of person that I have to see something, so I don't explain things very well. I thought a video would be very helpful for those who are like me, that were more visual people. So excuse me if my explanations are not on point, but hopefully my visuals will be a lot better. Okay, first we started with the front and back cover with the disc. So think of this as your backbone, as a skeleton for your planner for the inside pages. These are the monthly crystal clear dividers, and make sure to remove the film. And I found that this way works best. So I'm gonna start where the tab is, and then pull the film towards the punched side of the divider. You're gonna hear me say like mushroom punch, because these kind of remind me of like little mushrooms. So disc, mushroom punch, whatever. For the back side though, it is a little bit more, it's harder to get that film off. So I took like a little tool. This is a little Cricut tool for weeding vinyl. You probably use like a little needle, a safety pin, just to kind of sandwich that sharp object between the actual divider and the film, just so you can rip it off into a clean piece. Be very careful when you use a sharp object. Make sure you don't stab yourself. But yeah, and then you just kind of insert it in. For these dividers, I would go one by one instead of using like 3 or 4. It'll probably be a lot harder to insert through the disc. And it is easier when you use like your index or your pointing finger and your thumb, as I'm doing here, as you can see. And I'm putting the disc right in between my pointing finger and my thumb. So like a little, I don't know how to call it, like a little pincher. You're just kind of pinching it, the divider and the disc together. As you can tell, I don't know how to explain things. I just know how to show things. So yeah, this pinching system will help for those of you that are new to disc-bound. When I first started with a disc-bound planner a couple of years ago, I had a lot of trouble trying to get like my pages through the disc, but I found this way with the pinching action really helps a lot. So I'm just going to go through, add each divider. There's 12 dividers. Go through them one by one, just so that I don't break any of them. All right, so now that we have the dividers, we have the cover, let's add some style and personality to your new planner. Since this is the neutral nude planner, I'm using the neutral nude dashboard. So these are heavy cardstock dashboards. They have illustrations that probably look familiar to you, especially if you've been around for a while. Some of them are from La Isla VB kit, some of them are from the Au revoir VB kit, and if you've noticed that the other planners do have artwork from past kits too, except for the modern black. So let's put this together. There's totally no right or wrong way to set up your planner. I just kind of wanted to walk you through how I set it up, just so you can get ideas, and so we can just sit here, well, I can sit here and chit chat with you about the planner. I'm really proud of it. I've been working on this planner for the longest time. It wasn't supposed to happen, but I took the chance, and I didn't want to wait because it was already kind of finished and it was just shipping, and we had a few manufacturing setbacks, but I'm happy that it came even though it was late. So I just wanted to say thank you for your patience during this time. You know, it's been such a process, and I've learned so much as a small business owner during this process. And you know, people think that making a planner is so easy, but it's not, especially when you're thousands of miles away, especially during a global pandemic as well. But it's here, and from the feedback that I've been seeing in the Facebook group, you guys are loving it. So thank you. Okay. So dashboards. You can place these behind the clear divider, as you've watched me do for the past couple ones. That's how I like it, just because it protects the dashboard, because it is made out of cardstock. And then I'll go ahead and put the monthly and the weekly pages behind it. All right, so here's our finished planner, all put together, ready for you to plan and plan. But let me go through the free gifts and some spoilers ahead. So this is the free gift bundle. It was really hard for me to keep this a secret because I don't know, I like to share everything with you. It's just really hard to keep secrets because I get really excited. And I couldn't decide really what to spoil all of you with, so I decided to give you more than one gift. So this is a set of pockets for your new planner. I really like these. These remind me of when I used to do Project Life and the little card protective sleeves. And I know a lot of us like to use these little quote cards that I include with kit. So this is a really good way to incorporate those cards, or even mailer cards, which I'll show, with your planner. So the 3x4s will fit in these pockets. You can even do business card sizes and just put like a backer card behind it. And then this one has the bigger size, so you have the 3x4 on the top, and then on the bottom you have a 4x6. And I think I have it in my planner, so I'll show you. And again, you're just gonna insert them right in your planner. I like to put them in front. And I'll show you how I use mine when I show you my planner. But yeah, they can just go right in front. And then this is a new product. Since the VB Planner does not have times, I know some of you like to put times. You know, I don't, because for me, when I use my planner, I use it mainly for lists. So that's why I didn't include like times or numbers. But you can use this clear tape, this clear PVC tape, to make your own timing system for your day. So if I can get this off the roll. There you go. So it starts like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 for the hours of the day. And it has some bullet points. So a circle, a square, and I believe the next one is a star, I think. But oh yeah, the star. I'm just going to cut it down to where it starts at 1 o'clock, because basically I start my day at 1 o'clock. The girls at the studio will tell you, yeah, I arrive in the afternoon. I usually I do like my office work at home, and then I head to the studio after 1 o'clock usually. So I'm just gonna start this day on Thursday. Thursdays are our typical busy days at the studio, and I'm just gonna go all the way 1 till, I don't know where I'm gonna cut this. I think I'm gonna cut it, what does that say? In the evening, I believe that says 8. So I'm gonna cut it at 8, because after 8 usually is my quiet time. I've been trying to be really good and not working through the night, kind of focusing on myself at night. Yeah, so 8 o'clock. So 1 to 8 is my office time. I usually head home at 8 o'clock. So after 8 o'clock is, depending on what's going on, is my quiet time. And you can, super easy, you can put your hourly times right in there. I am going to be coming out with more. I thought this was really fun and a really great way to customize your planner depending on the day or the week. Okay, so some of you are familiar with this product. These are full box sticky notes. They fit perfectly in the days of the week columns like this. And then also on the left hand side, for these boxes too. So you got 2 boxes. These are in the shop. They come in different colors, very neutral colors, because they're part of the VB Essential line. For me, sometimes I don't like how, but since they are like a sticky note, I like to tack them down a little bit more. So I'll just add a little bit more double-sided adhesive. So like what I'm doing right here. Double-sided adhesive, so they just don't fly away. So you have them there, but you can still move them around. So this one's a to-do, this one's a today. I like neutral colors because they just go with everything. Even if you have bright colors, they'll totally match. So those are the full box sticky note that you get in your free gift bundle. And what am I going to show you? Oh, okay. So a lot of people have been asking me, why did I make the bottom boxes so big? Well, it's because so you can add 3x3 sticky notes. I am a sticky note planner. I have sticky notes everywhere. So I thought this was a good way to make all your sticky notes all together. All right, so this is a new product. I haven't released it yet. This is just a little sneak. It is very thin washi tape and the VB Essential colors. So you're gonna put them anywhere on your planner, but I specifically did them so they fit like the width of the width and height of certain spaces. So you can put this here to cover the text on a text header, I should say. Yes, for the bottom boxes. And then you can also divide up your columns. So I know there's other planners out there, other kind of layouts that have three sections, like a morning, afternoon, evening. And if you're that type of planner, you can totally customize your weekly VB planner layout to mimic that with this thin washi tape that fits perfectly. So I'm gonna kind of do that the same way. I don't do a lot of stuff in the morning. I usually wake up, get ready, do some answer emails kind of stuff. It's just more of a chill time for me before I start my day. Afternoon though is pretty busy, so I'm going to make that section a little bit bigger, and then my evening section, Again, it depends on what's going on for the week, but I kind of gave it equal amounts. But yes, see how easy that is, and it's coming in a bunch of different colors, as you can see, to match the whole VB Essential line. So stay tuned for that. So you have a new VB planner. Now you need a new VB pen to match, right? I was so happy how these pens turned out. So every VB planner design, so the Nude, the Black, the Playful Gray, and the VB Pink have a matching pen to go with it. So as you can see, the pen for Neutral Nude matches perfectly with the inside. This one's like a neutral nude with gold hardware, just like the foil in Neutral Nude Planner is gold. I will list the descriptions of each pen in the description box below. This one is for Modern Black, so rose gold and black. This one is VB Pink, so that pretty nude pink that you see a lot in my branding. And then this one is Playful Gray. It's kind of a muted lavender gray with fun colored crystals. These will be available at a later date, so make sure you stay tuned to the newsletters coming up in probably, I would say, a couple months. But I wanted those who pre-ordered to get them early so they match your planner. Just a little special thank you gift from me for hanging in there for all the delays. Okay, I totally forgot about this guy. This is your tab bookmark. There is film, okay, on the front and back of this. It is a very thick plastic, so be very gentle, but use like that firm pinching action that I taught you earlier to insert it in your planner, and then you have the chain to add charms. Okay, so let me show you my planner. Probably you're wondering, a clear cover. Yes, so I will be having a clear cover launching with the VB planners that will be available, so stay tuned for details. And then I told you earlier about the pockets, the mailer cards that I include with your orders. You can insert them here. I'm going to try to design more mailer cards going landscape, and then these are cards from cloth and paper. I love cloth and paper. And then as you can see, I am using the VB Pink dashboard to kind of mix and match a couple things from different planners into one. This is I'm working on pockets for the VB planner. So this is kind of a prototype. I just wanted to make sure I got the shape okay, but that's coming soon. This is my monthly layout for January. I'm using the Goal Getter kit. I haven't filled out my February at a glance yet. I don't fill out those. I'm thinking about using those as like a monthly roundup. I'll probably do a video and show you how I do that since I left it blank here. But these are my weekly pages. As you can see, like, I love decorating, but then at the same time, I do need all the space to write my to-dos. I love the bottom space because it gives you freedom to do whatever you want. And as you can see, I used the sticky note over here on this side. I've used a lot of stuff. I like to use Happy Planner stickers. I like to use small shop stickers. This is once more with Love Michael sticker pack. My style is kind of everywhere. Sometimes I'm just minimalist. Sometimes I like to go playful. And with this layout, with this planner, you can totally do that. And then this is for this week. So I usually plan my weeks on a Sunday. I fill out what I know, and then every day I'll go in and do and then every day I'll go in and write more to-dos. But that's that. So hopefully that gives you some ideas, and I will definitely do some plan with me's. I have some plan with me's planned. But this is how you can add charms to the little bookmark. So think of it as accessories, jewelry for your planner. There you go. I am I'm so happy. I'm so happy for this planner, and I'm really glad that you guys are loving it as well. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new things that I have on this channel. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you for everything. Thank you for hanging in there with me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.